We're going to be creating this real-time chat website in under 10 minutes with no coding experience required. We're going to be able to chat from any number of users in a public group chat using WebSocket technology to let everyone speak together. So let's get right into it. So firstly, we're going to head over to V0, and we're going to be using V0 to generate the website design for our project. So I'm just going to ask it to design our real-time chat website, and I'm going to give it some description on how I want the website to look. So I want everyone to have a profile picture, a name, and a chat bubble. And in the top left corner, I'd like every user to have their profile picture selection and their name selection. To make this easier for us to edit, I'm going to ask it to make the website in React and Bootstrap only. This is going to make it much easier for Cursor to modify later. So now it's generating our code for us, and if we give it a bit of time, it's going to show the preview. And now we have our preview loading. All right, our preview is done loading. So we can see we have our top area with our nice name selection and profile picture selection, and a nice chat message at the bottom. So that's great. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. So now I'm happy with my design. Let's create a new project. We're going to run npm create byte to make our new project. So let's give it the name of the chat website. And this is going to be a React TypeScript project because that's what V0 said. Now we're just going to copy over the commands that it tells us to run. Copy by pressing right click. So we're just going to run these one by one. All right, now that we've done that, we can go over to the link it gave us for our website. So you can just paste this link into the browser. And here we go. This is our default project that's created by Byte for React. Now, we don't actually want to see this page here because we want to see the page that V0 created instead. So we're going to launch the project that it just created. Everything that we just saw in the website is actually, this page over here is actually the app.tsx page. So instead of showing this, we actually want to see the website that we created. So we're going to copy over everything from this file that was created by V0. And we're just going to paste it here instead. And then we're going to scroll up to the very top and change this to app because that's the name of this file. So this is how we can just easily load up what V0 gave us. So we run npm install bootstrap because that's what we asked it to make our project with. Now that we've done that, we can go to our website and hey, we can see everything that we can see the website that was designed by V0. So let's test it out. Hello, everyone. And it looks great. So we have a very nice system going right now. Now, let's say if I'm Sam and I send a message, we can see that I'm the one that sent it. And if I change myself back to John, we can see that I'm the one that sent that. So that's great. Now, let's see if I can message a different person. Choose a new picture and change my name to Hammond. Now, let me message someone, howdy. And I can see that I can't see their message because I won't be able to see everyone else's messages, but I'm not able to do that right now. So how is it that different people are able to communicate with each other? In website development, there's the front end, which is what we see right now, the website. And there's the back end, which is the server. So for us to be able to do this, we need to have a server. We're going to do this by opening up a new Cursor project. So now let's open up the backend project. We're going to just select a folder. I just made one called chat website server. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a new file inside of it. I'm just going to call this index.js, but you can call it anything you want. So over here is going to be the file that is actually the server for the website. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to View and Appearance and open up the chat. To enable everyone to communicate together, we're going to be using WebSockets. So this is technology that lets the server communicate with all of the clients very easily. We're just going to copy over this example here. We're just going to give it to the AI. So I'm going to ask it to create a WebSocket backend for my chat website. And I'm just going to tell it what I want it to be able to do. So I want anyone to send a chat and it will show up in everyone else's screen. And I'm going to give it an example. So it's always great to give it an example. It will just help it along a bit. And it's given us some suggestions. So the first one is terminal. So I'm going to open up the terminal. And then I'm going to click on run. And scrolling down, I'm going to click on apply and continue. And then I'm going to accept it. So now I'm going to actually run the project. Since this one is called index.js, I'm just going to run node index.js. Okay, and it's given us some message here. And that's, so I'm going to copy over this file now. And I'm going to go back to my website.